Subliminal TV.
So today, Caffeine and Octane, and it seems like it's gonna rain today. I'm gonna go through very quickly. I may even just use the GoPro. I may just walk through the GoPro and call it what it is. So it's definitely drizzly to the point that I may not even walk through. You guys may miss C&O for this month. On the other side. I thought it was gonna rain. I'm about to go now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm about to go.
Did you park on the exotic side?
No, I'm on the other side. I drove my Porsche today though.
Oh, you drove the Porsche?
Yeah. How you doing?
Howdy guys.
How you doing?
How are you, sir?
Pretty good. I see you got your setup.
Which one is yours? Not here?
It's over there. It's on the other side.
Why don't you come over?
On your booth?
We used to be like just out, and then like 3 months ago we moved here.
Well, because I see it was gonna rain, I'm not gonna stay.
Ah, I got you.
But next month,
Alright.
I'll put it on your booth. Let me ask you too, I wanted to ask you. I was gonna text yesterday. What if I have one of my set of wheels that I only want to change the hardware? Do we need to break the seal or can we just put new hardware?
Yes.
So we break the whole seal?
Because once you want to remove the face, you have to unscrew. Once
we can't do the hardware without removing the face? Like if it's a 3-piece or a 2-piece?
No, so we do powder coat.
No powder coat. What if we only want like
just to assemble?
not even a symbol, it's a symbol. It's no
Okay.
problem. Just to change the hardware color. So like the Ferrari wheel.
Yeah.
It's powder coated. The hardware is powder coated. What if we want to put black hardware only? Do we need to disassemble the
You
wheel?
mean the screws?
Just the screws.
Possibly if we remove one and we put one, just like they remove the second, it's possible. But there's also a slight possibility that
Then it
the
have
one
a leak-
that
create
we
leak.
remove is actually is where the leak is going to happen.
So do we try it first or do we just say let's take it apart and start over?
You can, you want to try it yourself?
No, I'm saying, do you try to do one by one?
You see, Sam, this is Eric.
How you doing?
My headache.
We met. Yeah.
Yes, we sure did. It's my headache. So Eric,
You guys did a great job.
Thank you. It's the Ferrari wheel that sat I was
Oh, Eric.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Excellent.
Because I had to find a barrel.
So we
Did you end up picking it up?
Yeah,
I got it now. Yeah.
So now he wants to
I'm gonna be right with you.
change the bolts only on
Okay.
Like if we change only the hardware.
the hardware. I'm saying that there is a possibility that if we remove one, we put one.
Yeah, we don't have to do the seal.
The seal will stay there.
Yeah, let's stay there. Are we keeping the tires on the other ones?
You don't have to break anything down.
We don't have to break anything.
This is a
down.
whole other set. This is another set of ADV ones I have. I wanted to change the hardware on, but I might change the Ferrari hardware too.
Okay.
So
yeah, we could. At that point, we don't have to worry about the reseal.
But Let's do that when you decide if you want to change the colors on the barrels and the face. I mean, is this something that you're planning on doing?
Well, we're gonna do that on the Ferrari, but this is the other set.
Oh,
this is another set. But on the Ferrari set, we're definitely gonna do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you said yes, because I wasn't too sure.
Okay, got it.
Yes, then what we will do, we remove one, put one, remove one, and this way,
As you can see, there's
only the wheel will be missing one at any given time.
Got it.
And hopefully the silicone will be able to powder. All right.
We're gonna do it. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
around.
Appreciate you guys. And so it did not rain, so I did go and get my camera, and here are a few shots from the camera. Thinking about doing another video next week with only camera shots. We'll see.
Subliminal TV.